Hey guys, it's Nicole. Spring is here and I've been getting requested a lot in store to do a really fresh and glowy look for everyone. Keep watching to find out how, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. So to start, I'm going to use the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Moisturiser. Skin prep is super important to a glowy base. It helps to plump up the skin and really prep it for foundation. This moisturiser also has a blend of 6 African oils as well to really hydrate. For my primer, I'm going to use the Smashbox Primer Oil, just a few drops. So the reason I'm using an oil is not only will it help give a glow to the skin, but any areas you are a little bit dehydrated and your foundation can wear off, it helps it to last longer. So rather than using foundation today, I'm going to use the NARS Tinted Moisturiser. As we head into spring, I've really been loving more of like a fresh, lightweight coverage. And I'm rubbing that in with my fingers, just because this formula works best applied with hands. And then with anything left over on my fingertips, I like to blend it down my neck, just to make sure that everything's cohesive. So I'm just adding a little bit more coverage through the center of my face because this tinted moisturiser is super buildable. To brighten and conceal the under eyes, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. And I'm going to start right in the tear duct area. I love this concealer because it gives me just the right amount of coverage without getting too heavy. And I'm going to use a sponge to blend that in. To contour and bronze, I'm going to use the Clinique Chubby Stick in Sculpting Contour. So rather than applying it directly on the face, I'm going to use a stippling brush to give a softer effect. I love this Clinique Chubby Stick as well because it's a little bit more of a warmer contour colour, so you can get the effect of bronzing and contouring in one. So I'm using the cream product today instead of a powder because I find that creams sculpt more and also look more dewy. My blush today, I'm going to take Stila Convertible Colour in Peony on the same stippling brush. But I'm going to pat this on the back of my hand to start warming it up so that it blends easier into the skin. I pop it a little bit higher, right kind of on the tip of the apple of the cheek. To continue with cream-based products, I'm going to take the RMS Living Luminizer just on a ring finger, and I'm going to pat that into the skin. Again, this will just give the most glossy effect to the skin. And then down the bridge of the nose and on the Cupid's bow. To set, I'm going to take the Hourglass Veiled Translucent Powder. I'm using a more lightweight setting powder because I just want to set the face very lightly so that we keep the glow. I'm being really specific about where I'm powdering as well, just little spots that I know I can get a little bit too shiny during the day. I'm going to use the Hourglass Fiber Brow Gel. I've never tried this before, but I have heard you can brush it backwards into your brows. And then I'm going to use the longer side to smooth them back. It also has little fibers in there as well to help make your eyebrows look super full. It's great that it's also giving me that bushy brow effect that looks awesome when you have like a fresher base. For eyes, I'm going to keep it super simple and just use a cream eyeliner, the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Pencil in Rue Bonaparte. The reason I'm using a cream skin colored eyeliner is because it makes your eyes look super awake and open, especially after a long night. I'm going to put on my mascara next, but I'm going to curl my eyelashes beforehand. I've just done mascara on my top lashes and kept my bottom ones bare just to open up the eye. Because the tinted moisturiser has covered up some of my freckles, I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner and redraw them. And then to really blend it in, I take my wet sponge and just pat back over them so they don't look drawn on. I think this spring makeup look will go really well with a bright popsicle lip. The sheer coverage of the lipstick will match the sheer coverage of the foundation and the no makeup look that we've done. To finish off our glowy look, I'm going to take the Toucha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Done. So there you have it, my bare skin with a popsicle lip. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see from me next. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.